Today we're going to export students from the admission system into a student information system called SchoolBrains. So to do that, from the main menu, you choose third-party integration, and there's an option there to export to SchoolBrains. So this is an export that has been done for a particular school, but it's completely customizable, so please contact us if you want to customize this a little bit. So you begin by choosing the year of grad that you want to export. So I'm going to choose 2022. And what you'll see here, there's a checkbox that when this is checked, after the export is done, it actually goes in and updates this last imported date so that you can go back and know whether or not it's been imported. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to uncheck that. It may be good to uncheck that just to run a test first, and then when you're ready to do your actual export, you can go ahead and leave it checked. But for now, because it's a demonstration, I'm going to leave that unchecked. So the first thing I need to do right now, I have 181 students in the class of 2022, and I need to choose those that I want to export. There's many ways of doing this. You can filter it and so forth. So what we've done is we've actually created an application status that says ready to enroll. So I want just those students that are ready to enroll. So in this case, you see there's 22 of those. I'm going to go ahead and choose those 22. So you see that the selected rows count has changed to 22. I'm going to unselect that. You see that it goes back to 0. I can individually choose them as I do. You see that. So in this sample, I'm going to go ahead and export all 22. And the first step in SchoolBrains actually uses 3 files. The first file is a basic student information export, and that is what actually creates the student's identification number, or their LACID number in SchoolBrains. So you need to import that first. That way the student exists. Once that's done, you'll see down here there's created a CSV file, or actually a Excel file with that information. Now I'm going to export the extended student information, which is the second export. You see it's created that there. Once the extended student information is exported, a new box shows up that says export contact information. I'm going to go ahead and export the contacts for that student. And you see down the bottom here now I have all 3 of those Excel sheets, so they're ready to import. So let me just take a quick look at those. I'm going to open up the basic one first here, and so you can see that that's the student information. These are the fields, and this goes ahead, and when you import that into SchoolBrains, that's the first step. It'll create these students. Then the next one is this extended. Again, let me just slide that over. That's other information such as their address, their postal code, their email, city of birth, ethnic ID. And so again, if there's certain fields that we capture in the admission systems that you want to import, you need to map those to your SchoolBrains system. We can definitely add that as well. And then the last one I will show you is the contact information. And the contact information, as you see, is linked by the student's LACID. It shows the person's first name, last name, and their relation. So you can see there, pretty straightforward. Again, these are the fields that can be brought in. And again, completely customizable. If there's something you don't see there that you want to add, just let us know. And that's it. That's as easy as that. Once it's done, there's no button, so you can just go back to home, and it gets you back to the main screen there.